Welcome to ChapínManIA. Today we will talk about the fascinating world of the Mayans and their extraordinary gold ornaments. Get ready to discover how these incredible artisans created pieces of special jewelry that were not only beautiful, but also full of symbolism and meaning. Let's go there. But how is gold formed in the Mayan regions? Volcanic activity. Did you know that Guatemala's volcanoes not only create impressive landscapes, but are also the reason behind the country's mineral wealth? Today we are going to explore how these fire giants have given rise to precious metals and stones, such as gold and silver, and how the ancient Mayans found them easily. The ancient Mayans, with their vast knowledge of the natural environment, knew how to take advantage of this mineral wealth. We know this from the relics found in the places they inhabited, and which are exhibited in different museums around the world. Through detailed observations and ingenious techniques, they managed to identify mineral-rich areas. They soon realized that one of the methods that worked was to follow the rivers and streams that came down from the volcanic mountains, as these waterways often washed away fragments of gold and other gems. The Mayans were also experts at surface mining, collecting precious stones directly from the earth. The mountains in Antigua Guatemala, known for its majestic volcanoes, are a true treasure of nature. These volcanoes, over millions of years, have played a crucial role in the formation of mineral deposits. But how does this happen? When volcanoes erupt, they expel magma and gases containing minerals. Over time, these materials cool and solidify, forming veins of precious metals such as gold and silver. Also, minerals mix with volcanic rocks, creating a variety of gemstones. In addition to their economic value, precious metals and stones had deep cultural meaning for the Mayans. They used jade, gold, and other gems not only for ornamentation, but also in religious ceremonies and as symbols of power and status. The ability of the Mayans to find and use these resources is a testament to their impressive knowledge and respect for nature. Gold, like other precious metals, was discovered and used by the ancient civilizations of Mesoamerica, including the Mayans, through a combination of observation and experiment. The first ways of collecting gold would have been simple, using hands or rudimentary tools to collect gold nuggets or dust from rivers and soils. In Guatemala, for example, there have been alluvial deposits where gold is found in rivers and streams. These alluvial gold deposits form when gold is eroded from rocks and transported by water, accumulating in riverbeds. I want to ask you that if you like the video, also remember to like, share, subscribe and activate the bell. It has been discovered that the Mayans were one of the most advanced civilizations in Mesoamerica. They flourished in what we know today as Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, Honduras, and El Salvador. They were known for their impressive achievements in astronomy, mathematics, architecture, and of course, the art of goldsmithing. The first gold ornaments used by the native Mayans were elaborate and full of symbolism, reflecting both artisanal skill and the cosmology and social structure of the civilization of that time. The Mayans mainly used gold and jade to shape their ornaments, often combining it with jade and turquoise. Its artisans were masters in various techniques such as casting, embossing, filigree and chiseling, creating fine and complex details in each piece. It is worth mentioning that the content of this video is not investment advice. The content is educational only. No one from ChapínManIA will contact you in the comments or by other means, so please be very careful. Let's continue. Among the most common decorations were masks used for war and religious rites. Additionally, the diadems and headdresses, which were richly decorated and worn by the elite or rulers. The necklaces and pectorals often represented deities and sacred animals such as jaguars and birds. They also made bracelets and bracelets decorated with geometric patterns and mythological scenes, as well as rings and earrings with divine figures. One of the statues that shows gold and jade ornaments from the Mayan civilization is the one known as Chacmul. This necklace can be seen on the statue, as it is located in the National Museum of Anthropology in Mexico City, and is one of the most emblematic examples of known Mayan goldsmithing. Common motifs included sacred animals such as jaguars, feathered serpents, and eagles, as well as deities from the Mayan pantheon such as Kukulkan. Geometric and natural patterns were also popular, imitating nature and the cosmos in their designs. The Mayans were skilled explorers of their natural environment. Through observation and mining work, they could identify and extract gold from alluvial and mineral deposits. It was generally used for decorations in religious rites and commercial exchanges. Knowing how these natural treasures are formed and how the ancient Mayans found them allows us to further appreciate the rich history and geology of Guatemala. So the next time you see a volcano, remember that it is not only a stunning natural spectacle, but also a source of mineral wealth that has fascinated civilizations for centuries. I hope this explanation has motivated you to learn more about the geology and history of Guatemala. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to ChapínManIA and share it with your friends. Until next time, explorers!